Alright guys, I taped up the top of the, around the AC, and I just want to paint the top hunter green. The rest of it's okay. Alright guys, George here. I painted the top of the AC. Just wanted to do the top, protect it from the elements, all the dirt and stuff. So let's see. And I finished all this in green. The deck, the patio, walkway, dock, Lani, and let's see here. And then here's the AC on the other side. Just like I said, just the top is good enough. It's just right with the metal paint, RUSTOLEUM painter's touch. It's good for the metal, plastic, other things. Okay, train AC's top done. Okay, get her done. See ya. Alright, DJ George here. Hell, it's hot today. Not DJing a wedding here today. Not in this. Doing some painting. Show you what I got here. Yeah, the old BEHR paint in white, and the old roller. The garage door was pretty dirty and funky and dirty and moldy. Got it all cleaned up and painted up, and basically just trying to really get it in there good. The old garage door. I'll let that roller just get in there real good. Some painting today. Basic painting, nothing too crazy. Just the old garage door, and doing up some sealed the driveway, and then doing some trim work. Hell, it's hot today. Okay, did the front trim. Did some roof patching and cleaning up there. I'll take you back here. I get back to the back, I'll show you some other patchwork I did in the back. Alright, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Bye bye. Alright, May 25th, 2012. George here. Okay, use the RUSTOLEUM painter's touch. 2 times coverage. Covers the plastic caps for the dock in a high gloss black, and the results is they're just like brand new. Actually, I unscrewed them, took them off, painted them, and looks good. Okay, see ya. Alright guys, May 23rd, hot out again. I'm repainting the walkway path, the stepping stones, the little circles here. Went from old and peeling and crackly to perfectly new. Have a facelift. Okay, what I got here is just the concrete paint. Very simple. Just roll it on. Good paint, so you won't slip when it gets wet. It's got that grip stuff in it. Anyway, just roll them on, and all right, the stepping stones. Bye bye. All right, DJ George here. Little hot up today here. Doing some roof sealant with the LANCO product. It's that kind of a stretch elastic kind of stuff. LANCO white roof sealant. LANCO. Okay, just a basic flat roof here. It's gonna, nothing too crazy, just roll it on. Let's take it, and I just want to do simple, just roll it on. And I did all that. The roof, it works real well. Protects it against all the hurricane, the elements. No leaks. Makes the house cooler. Whole ball of wax. Okay. Hell, it's Tuesday. Kind of hot. See ya.